How to fix Messenger screen share no sound. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Messenger screen share no sound. To start this tutorial, open and locate your Messenger application in your mobile device. Once you're here, get into a video call with either of your friends. Now, tap on the middle icon on the screen. In here, you will now find videos. Now, tap on the middle icon once again that says Share. Once done, head on over to the three dots on the upper right. Now, go to the gear icon that says Call Settings. In here, the audio output should be your speaker, so you can hear the audio as well. Make sure over at AirPlay it says Speaker. Then check on it. And that's it. Please leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel. Hopefully you got some value in this one. And as always, I will see you in the next video.